Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel here. We've got, I'll show you, zip it around this way right here, right now. Honda, three-wheeler, 200M. Carburetor removal. Let's go over and take a look at this thing. Show you what's going on. Show you what's going on. Show you what we found inside of it. Hey, welcome to the game room! The games room! We gotta throw some darts! I'm terrible at darts. 10 points. Anyway, if you have this inside the bottom of your carburetor, no wonder your machine is not going to run very well. Okay, let's do this. Let's just put the camera down this way. If you've got this, you see all this? If you got that and this, see all this dirt and grime and stuff? In the bottom of here, let's see if I can get a better, yeah, there we go. Take a look at that. Now I've pulled out two components here already, obviously. Gave them just a quick clean. They were both plugged. The machine would not start well. You had to run it at half, three-quarter choke. And then you'd have to run it at more than half throttle just for this thing to run. Once you got off of that, once you took the choke off, it would just die. Well, no kidding. All the little ports are, all the little ports are plugged, closed. Right now we've got this one cleaned up so we can actually see through it. And, another mosquito. And we've also got this one cleaned up as well so you can see through it as well. Get some air through it as well. So I don't have any carburetor cleaner, which I really wish I did, but I do have brake clean. I'm just spraying it through in the bottom of this thing here, in the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to just scrape it out, clean it out. I got a couple of little wire brushes, toothbrushes if you will. Get that cleaned up, put this thing back on. To get this carburetor off of that thing though was a bit of a pain in the butt, but no big deal. There we go. This thing should have a fuel filter in it. It does not, as in a inline fuel filter. It does not. There's your fuel line right here. So I wonder if I can get I should be able to cut that and put a fuel line in. So other than that, this thing has never been apart in its life. So thanks for watching. Cheers, questions, leave them, and we'll go from there. That's it.